Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add a field to a page layout in Salesforce quickly and easily. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Advanced Setup. Next, use the Quick Find box and type Object Manager. Click on it, then choose the object you want to modify, like Contact, Lead, or Opportunity. After that, on the left side, click Page Layouts. You'll see a list of layouts for that object. Select the one your team uses most. Now, look at the panel of available fields. Find the field you want to add, then drag and drop it into the layout where it makes the most sense for your users. To complete, click Save in the top right corner. Your changes will go live immediately, and users will see the new field in their daily workflow. And that's it. You've just added a field to a page layout in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.